Morning, everybody. It's 8:36 on this Thursday. Because it's Thursday, it's Claims Day. So this is your pre-opening comment for Thursday, the 22nd of August. Video number 2229. Asia and Europe both slightly higher on expectations of a rate cut based on the minutes, based on all the GNC bullshit. You know, I noticed that they didn't try and spin that minus 818,000 jobs that didn't get added, and that's just for a year. So it basically shows you that they're putting out numbers that, they're just lying about how many jobs they produced. And in fact, they were reclaimed jobs from COVID, most of them anyway, not new jobs. Um, okay, so at 7 o'clock, the Dow was up 40. At 8 o'clock, it was up 38. At 8:29, it was up 25. The numbers came out as claims 232,000 versus a revised 228,000. That was down 4,000 on the revision. So, really nothing. However, yet another week of continuing claims notching higher and well above the 1.8 million, 1.863 versus a revised 1.869. The 210 spread has widened again a little, back to minus 14, as rates are higher on both. After the numbers, the Dow is basically unchanged from that. Before the number was up 25, now up 27. NASDAQ was up 55, is now up 52. Actually, now it's up only 36. And the S&P, which was up 9, is up 7.5. So a little bit of a sell-off, not much. We do have some other numbers coming today. None before the open, obviously, but at 9:45 we have U.S. manufacturing PMI, U.S. services PMI. Those are both at 9:45. At 10 o'clock we have existing home sales, 10:30 nat gas inventories, and at 10 o'clock we also have new home sales for July. Um, as far as earnings and such, Agilent beat by 6 cents. The stock is up 2%, 142.80, up 281. We have Synopsys also beating Inline revenues, 577.5, up 1282, up 2.3. Urban Outfitters with a beat, but the stock is down almost 12% on Inline revenues and comps. Nothing negative that I've seen about it, but the stock is 36.60, down 488. Snowflake, same situation, beats by 2 cents, beats on revenue, slightly raises product revenue guidance, reaffirms not GAAP operating margins, authorizes repurchase of another 2.5 billion in stock. Stock is 121.35. That's down almost $14, over 10%. Advanced Auto missed. The stock is 55, down 692, or 11.2%. Reported inline revenue, but guided below consensus. Revenue below consensus. Um, Peloton, a surprise beat. Not much help there. Stock is up 11.6%, but that's a big 39 cents, back to $3.75. And that's really about it for stocks. As far as the futures markets, um, I'm just showing you the Bitcoin here because it is yet another inside week. It's really not doing much of anything in here, although it is consolidating above this 54,000. It's got all of these closes right around the 60,000 area, but we still have a series of lower highs, but we did bounce off this 50-week moving average. So We'll have to see whether or not that's going to come back down and test this 52, 53,000 area before starting back up. But we'll have to see. As far as the grains go, they are down. The beans have not notched a new low yet this week. It's a quiet inside week, but hey, it's only Thursday. So we have all of today and all of tomorrow to see if we can break that 955 low from last week. The oil is up 11 cents. Nat gas is down 4 cents. The gold is down 14. The silver is up 5, still favoring that long 2 silver, short 1 gold. Cotton, which is my favorite right now. I really like this chart. Um, is down a little bit after yesterday's nice move higher. It's still an inside week, but I think if we get back through this, let's just call it 71, we look pretty strong. We are getting a crossover of the MACD. It's gotten a lot less negative over the last 5 or 6 weeks. A look at the daily shows that we have been consolidating in this area. Yesterday's high was 70.49. We go through that. We were 70.64. If we could close above this 70.80, I think we're at least 75, possibly as high as about 77 on this move higher. Unfortunately, there's no ETF to trade in it. S&P I've already given you. Bitcoin down just ever so slightly on that tight inside week. The bonds are down on the claims numbers, but honestly, they were down about half that anyway before the numbers came. So there you have it, folks. And I'll be back tomorrow.